back to my channel. The other one that says Feeling Slime. Yeah, please look that one up. It's FELLING. I messed up, and then slime. And today I'm going to be doing some black slime that I got. So if you're Gabby's friend, you might want to come to a birthday party, you know, if you're coming. And this is what the slime gets. You cannot get it on your clothes. I repeat, do not get it on your clothes. Because if you do, it won't come out. Literally, it won't come out. Because it's called the black slime. Slime. It's actually called slime. It's not called slime, that black slime. It's called slime. Slime is a thing that you put in slime. Just kidding. It's this. Oh, I love these so much. And I love to collect those. You might see me and this is, I'm on the hoverboard. See? That was my stinking brother. He stinks. Yeah, I know.
Hey, I have an idea. Won't everybody go outside and play for a little bit?
And wobble, 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 wobble.
Nobody want to play with me.
Guys.
Everybody's going outside for 15 minutes.
Alright, I was going to tell you.
Go ahead, guys. Go outside and play.
It spreads. So I hope you guys like this video. I will be sending more. I only have 2 right now.
Make sure you subscribe.
This is going to be called the black slime. And it's so long. And this is how you make a black slime. First you get glue and you get activator. You put the glue and activator together. Make sure it's it like works. I actually made this one to put in there. And you get food coloring, you dye it like
I'm not getting her.
black. And you and then when you did that, it's done. And then you let it sit.
What's the issue?
Or you don't let it sit unless if you play with it right away. Because if you let it sit and it's out, it's going to dry. And it's you just made slime for nothing. You just made your mom waste money. So this is a floppy slime. And just to tell you, it is, hold on, what time is it? 4:16 p.m. and right now. And it's May 16th. Yeah, the May 16th. But you guys can know what time and what date. So I hope you guys like my videos. Bye. See you later. Bye. Toodaloo. See my other videos.